In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a direct debit on Monzo in 2025. If you've ever found yourself needing to stop a regular payment through your Monzo account, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Monzo mobile app. This handy app is your gateway to managing your finances with ease. Once you're inside, navigate to the bottom of the screen and click on the Payments tab. This is where you handle all things related to your money moving out of your account, whether it's a one-time transfer or, like in this case, direct debits. Next, you'll see a couple of options. What you're looking for is Scheduled. Go ahead and click on that. This section will display all your regular payments that are due to come out of your account, including any direct debits you've set up. It's a nifty way to keep track of what's coming up, ensuring you never lose sight of your finances. Now, you should see a list of all the scheduled direct debits. Scroll through this until you find the one you'd like to cancel. Once you've located it, click on it. Details about this particular direct debit will be displayed, which should help you confirm that you've selected the right one. With those details on your screen, there will be an option prominently marked Cancel Direct Debit. Tap on this option to proceed. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice, so be sure to click Cancel Direct Debit once more if you're sure you want to stop this payment. To ensure security, at this point, Monzo will ask for authentication to verify that it's really you making this decision. A pop-up will appear, and you'll need to click OK to continue. You have the choice to authenticate by using either Face ID or your PIN code. If you find yourself confused about which method to choose, just go with whatever you're most comfortable with or whatever you frequently use to log into the app. For demonstration purposes in this guide, we're using a PIN code. Simply enter your PIN to finalize the cancellation process. And there you have it. Your direct debit is now successfully canceled. Remember, taking control of your financial obligations by managing direct debits can help prevent unwanted charges and keep your budget on track. Monzo's user-friendly interface makes this process straightforward. If ever you need to reinstate or manage other payments in the future, just follow these steps again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.